What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with a short video, kind of burning that late night oil here, man. Just trying to, get you guys a few things to look at in the morning. Still, as always, the same batch of stocks that I've named over and over again. We're still looking at Sunworks, so SUNW, SOL, POLA, OPTT, WWR, CBAT, and the list goes on. You know the batch of stocks we're watching right now. Alternate energy, anything that has to do with EVs, mining, anything like that, even polymer metals. Any of them. Two more stocks I kind of want to add to the group to keep an eye on. One in particular. One had some news. They did not put out a PR on it, but it was circulated by traders right at the end of the day. And this is ION Geophysical. ION Geophysical. The ticker symbol is IO. These guys closed the day at 208. Shot all the way up to 322 in the after hours. They surged real hard on the close and into the after hours. They ended up settling in the after hours right around $2.50, right around that range. This is a very low float stock. I would anticipate they're going to be putting out a PR sometime tomorrow, and with this low float and the way it reacted to this news or to the rumors, I really anticipate this thing running hard sometime in the maybe in the pre-market or first thing in the morning if they do happen to put a PR out. I still anticipate this thing running a little bit, but without a PR, this might pop and then fizzle out. But I do want you to keep an eye on that because this is a stock that I think it has potential tomorrow. This is not one of the ones I want to throw in the batch for more of a long-term, watch list play, but tomorrow strictly. One though, I want to put on this watch list and keep this on this watch list that we have been working off of over the past couple weeks, and this is Orbital Energy Group, OEG. This is a low float play. This is an alt energy play. These guys had a terrific day today. Believe that they were up, shot all the way up to $1.31 later in the day. Ended up coming back and closing right around 83.5 cents, and then in the after hours closed very strong to close just short of $1 at 99 cents. This stock I anticipate joining that batch, and this may be the next one to have a really nice rip and a nice run, and that's OEG. As always, we're still looking at the same stocks. We're still looking at the same batch of plays. Just like I said in my watch list, WWR, I called it out at $4. They didn't call nothing out. I brought it to your attention at $4. This thing shot up to 18. It's still trading double digits right now. CBAC Energy. Sunworks, who had a really nice day yesterday and today. I still like all these stocks, all these solar stocks, alternate energy stocks, OPTT, all of them. I still think these all have a lot of potential. What I think's happening though is traders getting a little play down on them, and they're moving to other plays. And I think OEG, Orbital Energy Group, may be the next one to get put in this. The first play that I mentioned, that ION Geophysical, I'm not a big. I mean, this stock was just a year ago was like a $12, $13 stock, and this thing just low volume and just kind of grinded downward all year long. Did have a decent volume day, about 7.5 million in volume. If that volume continues, this thing can continue. It all depends on the volume. But for the next few days, I'm going to be looking at OEG. I took a small position at 85 cents in the after hours. Close at 99. So, I'm just going to hold it overnight and see how it does in the pre-market. Doing that in the after hours, I think it's gonna, it'll end up opening strong and could have another rip tomorrow. Hopefully, it tests those highs of $1.31. If it rips to those highs or tests those highs or breaks those highs, we could have a huge run in that stock. That's OEG. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. Put any comments or questions in the comment section below. And as always, let's get that money, traders.